And of course, you think you have just enough, but unfortunately, I ran out again. So, one more can ought to do it. But I guess that's it for the time being. I mean, we've gotten as much done as we can do. And that's all I can stand, and I can't stand no more. So that's it for tonight. Hope you guys are having a great one. I will give you, an update when it's completely finished, obviously. And I will say this. Next time, I would probably more recommend not doing the spray cans, but doing, a paint can, rolling it on. We'll see how it even lasts, and I'll do an update after a period of time. But, the rolling it on or brushing it on probably would have definitely been more effective, and probably less expensive too. So, anyway, that's all I got for now. So, see ya!